Elise, thank you so much for joining us. Tell me, are you still at work? Because I would imagine you're involved in important supply material.
Yes, I'm actually working since yesterday from home. Our company is open and a lot of my colleagues are still back in the office. So we're taking turns, let's say, to work from home.
I see.
So we are working with a hospital, so we need to keep open and keep on going.
What is life like in Brescia? Has it become a ghost town?
Well, basically, yes. I live in the province of Brescia in a small little town outside. It's about 20 kilometers away. It's become a ghost town, yes. You don't see many people around, although in a lot of the large cities, there's still so many people around. They just don't realize how important it is to stay at home. That's all they've asked. They didn't ask us to go to war or to kill anybody. They asked us to stay at home, inside our comfortable homes, and they're not doing it.
What are the rules around leaving your home? Do you have penalties? Will you be arrested? What are the rules?
Well, we have got rules. They actually put down a fine of that amounts between 200 and 300 euros if they get you outside without a valid motive. The valid motives are for working reasons and obviously for medical reasons. If you need to go to the hospital or if you need to go to the pharmacy, then you're allowed to go, and also to get some food supplies. Those are the only three reasons why you can leave your house. And unfortunately, like I said before, not all are abiding by them.
That is astonishing if you look at the way coronavirus has gripped Italy, and the fact, as you say, that there are penalties for people who do not adhere to the rules. Do you have any understanding of what informs that?
Well, I don't actually know what it informs. I don't know why people just don't listen. I mean, they can risk, how do you call it? Because I've become so Italian that I forget the English words. They've got they can risk going to jail. But they just don't realize it. I don't know what it needs to take for them to realize. And I see this also with a lot of my South African friends and family. They just don't realize the urge of keeping safe, protecting yourself. I mean, it's the basic things that we need to do, because this virus, unfortunately, is not just one that gives symptoms. There's so many people out there, and that is what's causing all the spreading in Italy, that don't have symptoms at all. They don't have a cough, they don't have fevers, they don't have any signs, they feel perfectly fine. And that is the big problem.
Well, what is your message to South Africans? Because some of the responses that we are getting in this country are, honestly, it's just flu, let's just let it blow over because we're freaking out about it. That's causing the market crash. That's causing everyone to panic and do crazy things like strip the supermarket shelves of food. What do you say to people with that sort of response?
Well, my response is the same. The same thing happened here in Italy. Okay, everybody underestimated this whole virus, even our government. They all said in the beginning, it's just a little bit more hectic than a flu. No need to get uptight, no need to go to the grocery stores and empty it. But I mean, it's not true. If you look at the numbers, it's not true. It's not just a normal flu. How many times in your life have you seen so many countries worldwide closing their schools, closing down countries, closing down airports? I mean, does that not ring a bell in anybody's head?
Absolutely.
I mean, it's just basic knowledge. I mean, if you look around Europe, most of the countries have closed down. We are having difficulties actually shipping to our customers outside of Europe. We are blocked because nobody is working anymore.
Thank you so much for joining us, and lots of strength for the days ahead. That is a South African living in Italy in the Brescia province, Elise Stein.